Hello students, so today we are going to deal with chapter number 5 geography, uh, minerals and rocks. Okay, so here we will discuss what all elements are present on the earth's crust, and if we talk about the earth as a whole, what elements are present, because in this chapter minerals portion has deleted, so here we deeply discuss about the rocks. But before it, it's very important to know on the earth's crust which gas is abundant, because on the earth's crust oxygen is abundant. Mm. And here we can see uh, like सबसे ज़्यादा on crust, but oxygen is abundant. If we talk about earth uh, as a whole, okay, then nitrogen is abundant. Okay, in the junior class you already studied about that. Because if we talk about the elements, so here we can see uh, 21% जो है, okay, oxygen is available. Okay, and 78% nitrogen is present, and only 1% is other gases. So through this you can understand, but now we will focus on earth's crust. Okay, here we have to focus on earth crust. So on earth crust we will see all the elements in descending order. Like first of all I could say oxygen. Okay, एंड देन सबसे ज़्यादा जो है अबंडेंट है ऑक्सीजन, एंड देन सिलिका, एंड देन एल्यूमिनियम. ओके, देन आयरन, देन magnesium, sorry, after that iron, after calcium. Okay, and then sodium, Na, and then potassium, K, and then last is magnesium and the other gases. Okay, you can say this again. So this is the series which are available on the earth crust. Clear to everyone? So next is types of rocks, because here we'll talk about the rocks. So students, minerals are found in different types of rocks. So mainly there are three types of rocks. First of all, igneous rocks. Okay, igneous rocks. And then second is sedimentary rocks. I will write here in short. And the last is metamorphic rocks. So there are mainly three types of rocks. First, what I said, igneous rocks. Second is sedimentary rocks, and third is metamorphic rocks. So here we'll discuss about this. So this is the rocks portion. You can see, which I'll tell you later. You can see there are some small greens, and here we can see some large greens. This is also a kind of rocks, and I will explain it also later. Now, so what we are talking about, we are talking about the igneous rocks. Okay, igneous rock. So this type of rocks made of lava. Okay, you can see here lava. You can see here it released from the earth crust. When magma released from earth and then solidified it, convert into igneous oil. ये जो लावा है, ये जब बाहर आता है अर्थ से, तो ये सॉलिड फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट हो जाता है. हियर यू कैन सी, सो ये एक convert into a rocks. Okay, so this is, we can see, intrusive and extrusive. Okay, intrusive and extrusive. What is intrusive and extrusive? Because a solidification process is going through the two ways. Okay, intrusive means inside the earth, inside earth crust, जो अंदर ही अंदर क्या हो जाता है, solidification होता है. And another one, extrusive rocks. Extrusive rocks जो which come out, release out from the earth crust and then solidified outside. Okay, the process is going on outside of the earth, which is called extrusive rocks. Now next is igneous, because it has mentioned here igneous rocks. Igneous, okay, igneous means in Latin fire. You can see fire. Clear? And the cooling can be on the earth crust or inside, क्योंकि जो कूलिंग प्रोसेस है वो अंदर inside the earth भी होता है और outside of the earth भी होता है. So it is classified on the basis of texture. ये इसके texture के basis पे से classify किया जाता है. Okay, if molten materials cool slowly, because which I already shown you picture here. Okay, so here I'll show you. If molten materials cool slowly at greater depth, so mineral grains may be very large. Okay, here लार्ज ग्रेन्स हैं, ठीक है, बड़े बड़े ग्रेन्स हैं. एंड हेयर यू कैन सी, बिकॉज यहाँ पे जो है सॉलिडिफिकेशन जो हुआ है बहुत स्लो वे पे हुआ है. ओके, बहुत ही स्लो वे पे हुआ है सॉलिडिफिकेशन. एंड इट कूल्स स्लोली एट द ग्रेटर डेप्थ मिनरल में. दैट्स वाई इसके जो ग्रेन्स हैं वो हमें यहाँ पे देखिए ये बड़े बड़े ग्रेन्स हैं. क्लियर? हेयर ऑल्सो वी कैन सी ग्रेन्स बड़े हैं. And if it cools suddenly it would be small in grains. And here you can see, I'll change the color here. So here you can see some small grains hai. Okay, here also you can see some small grains. So it means this is, you can see small grains means ये जो है ये suddenly cools हुए हैं, suddenly इसमें कन्वर्ट हुआ है, ये कूल हुए, ठंडे जल्दी हुए हैं, इसलिए इनके ग्रेन्स क्या है, छोटे हैं. और यहाँ पे इनके ग्रेन्स बड़े होने का मेन रीज़न है बिकॉज इट सॉलिडिफाइड इन वेरी स्लो, यू नो, इन स्लो प्रोसेस. यहाँ पे जो सॉलिडिफिकेशन है उसका प्रोसेस बड़ा स्लो रहा है. ओके, सो फॉर एग्जाम्पल if I tell you about the example, so there are some granite, gabbro, pegmate, basalt, volcanic breccia. So these are the example of igneous rocks. Clear? So here also you can see small grains है. Here you can see ये जो आपको छोटे छोटे ये दिख रहे हैं, this is called grains. Clear? After that, sedimentary rocks. So I'll explain sedimentary rocks and metamorphic rocks in next video. Thank you so much, students.